Myself, Dr. Shiva. So I came to attend CII conference. So I really happy to meet caddcentre here because now only I completed my master diploma program in product design analysis. So I really happy to see you and the new course which has been launched for basically concentrating on electric vehicle, which is so amazing because when I'm 10 years back, I thought of going to caddcentre. I didn't learn anything because I don't want to, because I thought, why I want to learn drawing. I want to be manufacturing engineer. After 9 years, after joining as a deputy manager in Tube Investment of India, I was forced to learn CAD software because it is very needed a skill for an engineer. The engineering way is drawing. So without drawing, you cannot explain anything. So I started learning, and it has been a wonderful experience. I hope the electric vehicle course will be also be that much useful, and hope don't miss that chance while you have. Don't delay like me, as 9 years later learning some softwares which you will regret for another 9 years. If you learned 10 years back, you may have some other wonders. So I thought people will do these things, and definitely I tell you that electric vehicle design and analysis is a really big challenge which we are working on with existing softwares which I am learning in SolidWorks and ANSYS Fluence. It is not just a software to couple. It is a multidisciplinary skills you want to understand. So understanding from the basics and understanding from the experts, which is really helpful. So I hope you will also learn good things and best things from best people. Thanks.